can see their antennae go up and down, and then one of them will sometimes lunge at the other one, jump at the other one.
Stand aside. These so-called leaf-footed insects are getting ready to rumble. And for entomologist Christine Miller, that means it's time to get to work.
It's more like someone doing mixed martial arts in that they fight in so many different ways. And so we can study the shape of their weapons and the function of their weapons and how they're related to the ways in which the bugs fight.
With support from the National Science Foundation, Miller and her team at the University of Florida study animal weapons as a key to understanding their behavior, diversity, and evolution.
And it's a great group of insects. Some of them are huge, some of them are tiny. They just seem to have such a diversity of shapes, body shapes, that we can use them to do all sorts of different experiments and also behavioral observations that they're just a really powerful way to better understand science.
They collect a lot of specimens at this campus organic garden.
This is a juvenile, and it hasn't developed big fighting legs yet. When we think as humans about weaponry, we often think about lethal weaponry, weapons designed to kill. Animal weapons are used to get that opponent away, to succeed in getting a territory, maybe to get access to females for potential matings. They rarely fight to the death.
And like human wrestlers, insects, usually males, have some signature moves. The short squeeze, the leg wrap, the pounce and wrap. And it's all to get the girl.
Yeah, I've never seen two males fighting this hard for one female.
But it's not always the big bug on campus that's a hit with the ladies. Miller says some females also factor in complex odors when choosing a mate. Experiments like this show a boy bug has to do more than fight to impress a female. A tasty dinner goes a long way too.
The males release olfactory cues to reel in the ladies, and the cactus that they live on also emits odors. So the female has a choice between a high-quality male on a low-quality cactus pad or a low-quality male on a high-quality cactus pad.
See, it's a one-legged male, and it was actually aiming that missing leg towards the other one.
Of course, when you fight, sooner or later, you're going to lose. Miller says that's why these insects have evolved something called autotomy.
If they get in a tricky situation and something grabs the leg, like a bird, or they just get trapped, they could actually do a little like twist, shake sort of thing, and they actually sever their leg off at a breakage plane.
Miller says studying insect behaviors will help us understand everything from pest management to how habitat and climate change impacts a range of animal populations.
A lot of people don't think about insect conservation, but if we lose species of insects, we can have ecosystems fall apart to some extent and be adversely affected.
A little knowledge is a powerful weapon. For Science Nation, I'm Miles O'Brien.